We are here at Gardners Basin. We just took the Jitney. So we're going to be going to the Back Bay restaurant. They have a happy hour from 3 to 5. And then we're going to be going on the Sunset Cruise at 6 o'clock. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. In the distance, you can see the different casinos here. If you have an electric car, they have some place to charge it up. Now over here we have Harris. That's where we're staying. We are here at Back Bay Ale House. We come for happy hour. It's 3 to 5. It's 3:45 right now. So we're going to see if we can get a seat on the patio.
Dirty, bro.
Hi, could we go to happy hour on the patio?
So we don't have happy hour right now.
Oh, you don't?
We can get you a table if you think.
Okay. When is happy hour?
We don't have it during the summertime.
Oh, okay.
At all, yeah.
We still want to come in.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you can follow.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, this is the bar. They just told us that they didn't have happy hour. So look, let's look at the menu.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. I'm Megan. Angie. Nice meeting you.
Okay, let's see what we can have. So we have decided, I have decided on the blueberry lemonade, the 16-ounce pint. Glen is going to get a Yingling, and we are going to split a Guinness burger. Oops. There you go. So here is my drink, the blueberry lemonade. And Glen got the Yingling. This is the 12-ounce. And we only have an hour, so they do have a 32-ounce mason jar. But we won't be here that long. Cheers. That's good. So here is our Guinness burger. We split it. It has onion rings, bacon, onions, cheese. Looks good. What do you think? Is it yummy? Good. And it came with chips. So over in the distance is the aquarium. We will come back to see that. And this is the marina over at Gardners Basin. There is Harris, Golden Nugget, MGM Bogota. They're on the marina side. Our boat isn't in yet. It should be coming in maybe about 5:15. Over the other side, that is the boardwalk. You can see Hard Rock and Resorts. Oceans. The High Roller is a fishing boat. They just got back a little bit ago. And that is the Back Bay Ale House. We just had a little bite there on the patio, and I think it's in the 90s, so it's extremely hot. We might go back in while we wait for the boat to come and go inside and have another drink. Over here is the High Roller again, and the Tiki boat. The Tiki boat has a sunset cruise right now, and that leaves at 8. And straight ahead is Gilchrist, breakfast and lunch. We went there the other day at the Tropicana, but this is the original one on Gardners Basin. This will be the only time that it won't be crowded. And they have parasailing. Here is their patio area right on the water. It says, please no camping. Please be kind to those still in line. Some more seating up here. Atlantic City, keep it local. Shop, eat, explore. And this is the one we're going on tonight, the Atlantic City Cruises. So we went into the Back Bay Ale House, had a drink in the cool bar, which was wonderful. It's in the 90s. So our boat is here. So we're going to see if we can board. It does seem like it's kind of windy, so that will be nice with the cool breeze or a hot breeze. Gotta follow the stars. That's right too. That's what the lady told us. Gotta follow the stars in the cement. And away we go. Up. There's another star. One more. You can smell the ocean, the salt air. So right here is the high roller, the fishing boat, the tiki boat, and this is ours. Atlantic City Cruises, boat rides.
As long as that's not my $80 one. That was from my, like, earlier in the day.
Here are the schedules, the tiki boat schedule.
I got it, I got it.
And here was today's schedule, 11 a.m. Skyline, Dolphin, sightseeing, and we're the happy hour.
A little hot, but this breeze is making up for it. It is a little cooler out there. We're going to try to keep you a little cooler, that's for sure.
Hi, thank you.
All right, welcome aboard.
Thank you so much. Okay, we just got on board.